Welcome friends, welcome to the course of Industrial Engineering. Today we are going to start a very interesting topic, that is process planning. You will say this topic with the name of product planning also means what are the different processes that we are going to employ for making a product. Okay, प्रोसेस प्लानिंग आज हम देखेंगे जो डिफरेंट प्रोसेसेस हैं जिसकी सहायता से हम लोग कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाने वाले हैं उसकी प्लानिंग के बारे में डिस्कशन होगी यहाँ पे ओके in the other word you will see this topic in the product planning name ओके प्रोडक्ट प्लानिंग के नाम से भी आप लोग इसको कहीं कहीं देखेंगे now write the topic process planning this is a very important topic regarding as an industrial engineer what are the different processes that we are going to employ for making a specific product okay in the initial lectures we have seen that what are the functions of industrial engineering, what are the applications of industrial engineering, and one of the function in the industrial engineering is process planning. You will see one by one all the function in our whole industrial engineering topic. Okay. Now write down what is process planning means. As clear from name that process planning means or product planning means what are the different processes or what are the different plans that we are going to do for making a specific product. Okay, write down according to write down definition of process planning. According to American Society of Tool and Manufacturing Engineers, according to American Society of Tools यहाँ टूल नहीं है टूल को हम लोग यहाँ लिखते हैं of tools and manufacturing engineers manufacturing engineers process planning is the systematic determination of process planning is the systematic determination of the method by which a product is to be manufactured economically and competitively. क्या है सिस्टमेटिक, ये डिफिनेशन है सिस्टमेटिक determination of method by which a product is to be manufactured economically and competitively. Economically and competitively. Means we have to manufacture our product in the economic manner so that for the less input we will get maximum output for that. Okay? For the less input we will get maximum output, and according to our competitive environment means according to the different firm or different production houses that is producing the same kind of product that we are producing. ठीक है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग कंपटीशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग अपना प्राइस भी सेट करेंगे. जनरली हम लोग कहीं बाहर परचेसिंग या मार्केटिंग करने जाते हैं तो आप लोग के दिमाग में एक सेटअप होता है कि हम लोग को सस्ती चीजें लेनी है. इंडियन सेटअप है, ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सस्ती लेते होंगे, उसके में भी वी आर परचेसिंग more and more branded or expensive things. But अगर आपके इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन की बात की जाए तो आप लोग कंपेरिजन करेंगे और कंपेरिजन में अगर दो कंपनियां हैं उनके प्राइस में देखेंगे, अगर दोनों ब्रांड कंपनी है जिसकी प्राइस कम होगी उसको हम लोग बाय करेंगे, खरीदेंगे. ठीक है, तो कंपटीशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग को ऐसी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करनी है इकोनॉमिकल भी हो और कॉम्पिटिटिव भी हो. ठीक है, so this is about the definition of production process planning. Now we are going to discuss the steps for process planning. Means what are the different steps we have to keep in mind during process planning. Okay, right on topic. Process planning. Sorry, steps for steps. Steps for steps of process planning. Okay, what are the steps? And analyze the part requirement. Analyze the part requirement. Okay, इसको बॉक्स में डाल देंगे, स्टेप वाइज देखना है तो बॉक्स में रहेगा तो स्टेप बाय स्टेप याद करने में आसानी रहेगी। ठीक है, एनालाइज द पार्ट रिक्वायरमेंट। ओके, नेक्स्ट determine the operation sequence. Determine the operation sequence. We will discuss one by one all the steps. First, we will write the things, then we will discuss all the things. First is analyze the part of requirement. Okay. Second, determine the operation sequence. Means what are different operations that we are going to employ. Third, select the necessary equipment. Equipment means what are the machines or what are the equipment that we are going to employ or that we are going to use for making our product. Okay, select the necessary equipment. Calculate the processing time. Calculate the processing time. Okay, calculate the process time means what is the time is going to be taken for making a specific product. अब नीचे नहीं दिख रहा है तो आई होप आप लोग ऊपर भी दो लिख चुके होंगे। यहाँ से फिर हम लोग यहाँ पे आएंगे। ठीक है, तो बीच वाला पोर्शन जो है उसको मिटा देते हैं। ठीक है, यहाँ पे एंड है। ठीक है, इसके बाद इसको ग्राफ करते रहे, नहीं तो फिर कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट हो जाएगा। We discussed all the things. Next, document process planning. हाँ 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 आ रहे हैं, बस 5 मिनट सब आ गए हैं। डॉक्यूमेंट प्रोसेस प्लानिंग। ओके, डॉक्यूमेंट प्रोसेस प्लानिंग यहाँ पे देखेंगे। डॉक्यूमेंट प्रोसेस प्लानिंग मीन्स after calculate the processing of time, we have to document or documentation process is going to be carried out. Okay, and last, communicate manufacturing engineer and soft. Communicate manufacturing engineer and then soft means if lastly our when our product is going to be complete, then we have to ultimately discuss with the shop or shopkeeper so that we can sell our things. And after documentation process, We have to discuss with manufacturing engineer so that he may make our product. Okay. Today I am ending it, but this is not the ending of the steps of process planning. We have to see step by step all the things. सभी things हम देखेंगे step by step and theory portion. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.